So let's talk a little bit about photography. I recommend taking a photography course at Udemy or Skillshare or somewhere. I learned from a photography book. There are a lot of basic tricks like the rule of thirds, and things like that. I think you try to capture the moment when you take photos. Some writers say get a really good camera. I think a cell phone is enough to start with, especially. They take very good photos. Yeah. If you can add the skill of photography to your repertoire, it really adds to the attraction of you as a travel writer. Some magazines will rely on Getty images and things like that, but if you have your own photos and you take good photos, that's a really, really good addition to your skill set. About getting into magazines, Don George advises that if you want to get into magazines, that you should try to write short pieces that go in the front of the magazine and get very good at doing those. Then build up your reputation and your clips, and then going for bigger pieces in the in the magazines. That's in his book, How to Be a Travel Writer. A bit more about pitching. Writer Belinda Joe advises, once you find publications that appeal to you, read them thoroughly to understand house style and target audience, and then get to work on pitches specifically tailored to each publication. A Google search will yield lots of results for tips on pitching. So she's been very, very successful, so I would really listen to anything that she says. Thank you for watching. Please take my course at Udemy, How to Be a Travel Writer, and maybe join our Facebook group. Tell us how you're doing, or tell us how you're doing in the comments below. Thank you very much.